Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F-150. I'm talking about that generation year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find the fuses for the traction control module. If you have traction control light, you want to know which fuses you need to check. We're going to explain about 3 fuses guys, make sure you stand till the end. We'll explain also why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays for your Ford. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate here guys on a 2016 Ford F-150, but even if you have a 15, 17 model, it may work as well. The engine fuse box guys will be the one that we will need today, and that fuse box is located under the hood. You can see that's the radiator overflow tank, that's your car battery right there. So if you come behind that car battery, that box right here, that's your fuse box guys, that's your fuse box. You will need to open that fuse box, and once you open it, you have a fuse box that will look like that. You will be towards this side, and that will be towards the windshield side. You can see all the different fuses and relays. Now, let's explain guys why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So these fuses and relays guys, you have different kinds of fuses, relays. You can see those could be really hard to find in small towns, or they can be really expensive. So we recommend to get some guys and keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind so you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So we need to guys check now 3 fuses specifically. The first fuse will be, let me explain now. If we come in that fuse panel right here, if you come in that right row, 1, 2, 3, that third fuse, that the 60 fuse, you need to check that one. That will be the first fuse that we will need to check. Next fuse is known as fuse number 61, and it will be in that middle row here. That will be that last fuse right before the relays. We're talking about that 30 fuse guys, that one right here. You will need to check. Then you will need to check one more fuse, which is known as fuse number 107. And if you come in that panel right here, it will be 1, 2, the second one in that row, 10 fuse guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.